Hello, Don Pepas is here. I wonder if you ever were curious what your human is doing out there while you are waiting for him or her at home. Here I am, just sitting peacefully on my couch, looking out the window and thinking, I wonder where she is. I wonder if she's petting other animals. I wonder if she's loyal to me. And I don't know, it gives me all the thoughts. And now I think I have a confirmation to my doubts. Here she is, my mom. While I am waiting for her at home, she's out there chasing squirrels. Squirrels! Let's learn how to say it in Russian. Белка. Белка. Белка is squirrel. Белка. Белка. Красивая белка. It's a nice squirrel. It's a beautiful squirrel. Красивая белка. Красивая белка. And what's here? Oh no, I hope she's not going to eat those poisonous mushrooms like agaric. Let's learn how to say them in Russian. Мухомор. 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 It's just the highly poisonous mushrooms. Please never eat them because they are so beautiful, but they are highly poisonous. Okay, I hope that she didn't eat that. But meanwhile, for me, the day goes as usual. Here's my meal, my breakfast, завтрак, завтрак, завтрак. It's very delicious, and now I feel like chicken. And that dish next to it, I don't know what it is. Now I feel like drinking. Let's go to my cup where I'm going to have a drink. Моя кружка. Моя кружка. Моя кружка. My coffee mug. My mug. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.